Hello everybody, my name is Lisa and today I am showing you my creative studios. I received the January 2021 stationery box and I have to tell you this box is amazing. So it comes in just a regular small cardboard box. I did look at it the other day. There's always a little sticker here that says your creative studio. And here's the little comment card of what I received. So let's open it up. I did pop the tape. And as you can see, it is just loaded with goodies. So, your creative studio is a monthly subscription. You can buy 1 month at a time, you can buy 3 months at a time, I believe 6 and 12. And it's curated by a lady and she lives, I believe, in Washington State. Let me see. Yes, Point Roberts, Washington. That's where her company is located. So the first thing are these sticky notes and it says movie review. And I'm gonna take everything out of the package so you can see everything up close. And these little stickers. Now you have to excuse me, I am doing a new setup for me and I'm just trying to make sure you can see everything like I do. It's a pad of stickers. According to the card, I'm not really sure how many sticky notes are in here. It says notepad, sticky notes. It's either 30 or 60 pieces. Love them. Little notepad. Okay, that's the first thing. Then we got something called Little Black Book, Retro Material Notes. This one is clearly labeled 60 pieces. And it's little ephemeral tabs, papers, and they say really cute things. The first one said, if I had a single flower for every time I think about you, I could walk forever in my garden. Wow. This one says, life is a wonderful journey on a train that never returns. Go through it with the new and the old. Perhaps this is the fate that a person cannot resist. So there's a whole bunch of them on like this creamy colored paper. And then you have that sheer, I can't remember what this is called again, but it's like the sheer paper. And then you have it on craft paper. And it's so lovely. And I can think of so many things I would want to do with this. So there's 60 pieces in that. And then we have these, another, looks like a paper pad. Let's see. It's like a postage one. Oh, and it's perforated like tickets. And they're not all the same. Oh, I love that it says number 28 because that's my birthday. So there's a bunch of those, and then in the back there are stickers. Different types of stickers. I hope you can see this pretty well. And from what I can gather, this is considered the 30-piece sticker bag. That's what it says on the card, 30 pieces. And there's a little 30 there, so I think that's what it corresponds to. Lovely. Then we have something called 3-Place Chateau Marquard. This is another pad, and they're all the same in this one. They're all like this. This, I believe, this pad is, geez, I'm really sorry, but it's hard, maybe 60, maybe they consider this the small paper pad, which says 60 pages. It's really hard for me to tell, but it is definitely a small pad. And again, you can use this just like this, or, you know, definitely to make journal pages, journal cards, greeting cards, whatever you want. Really nice. This is just adorable. This is actually 400 page. Yes, this is 400 pages. It's just called a Designs paper pad, and it's full of designs. And I really hope you can see this as well as I can, because I do have a new camera set up. You again have that see-through like paper, just regular paper. Oh my Lord, this is so adorable. Could you imagine everything you can decorate? I am in love. I am in love with this stationery box. This is Lisa's jam. This is my style of stationery. I wouldn't even know where to buy any of this stuff. So her monthly curated boxes are just aces. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, now we get to some little little pocket folders. I hate to, oh good, I don't have to rip it. This peels back and it says it's a cling stamp. So let's open it up. And, ooh, there are 2 stamps in here. Look at that, the movie projection theme. Isn't that amazing? The old movie projectors. So these you can use, you know, with an ink pad to stamp. They're just regular rubber stamps. Again, very unusual, very unusual. I'm gonna put it back in the little envelope. So there was 2 of them in there, and that, I think that corresponds to what I got here. Let's see, there's some more cling stamps. Love these little envelopes, and I just love the packaging. That's what makes this box also so special, is, you know, the packaging is just so simple, but so nice. I don't want to rip anything. That's how, oops, I just ripped it a little bit. I'm butchering this one. Okay. And there's one big stamp. Ooh, it's a ticket. Cinema. It says date, time, row, seat. How amazing is that? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And let's see what else. There's another, ooh, washi tape. She calls it masking tape. See if I can get this open nicely without ruining it. And yeah, look at that. It's film. It's actual film. It's a nice antique finish. This says cinema. Admit one. So unusual. Love it. There's more. There is more. I will leave the link to this box below. Just to let you know, I pay for these boxes with my own money. This is also a little pad that's tickets. It says movie title, movie rating, admit one. It's just your creative studio sticky notes. So I'm not sure how many are in here, but I would say at least 20. So that's really nice. And then these are rub-ons where you just place it down and you rub it on with like a stylus or a bone cutter. So you got the popcorn and the soda, and you got the directors, take one, take two. I think they still use these in movies. So that's cool. It's different sizes. Love it. And this, look at that. It looks like a bookmark. It's old time series matted old rulers. So what's in here? It's an original long sticker bag. I don't know if this is an actual bag. No, it's just cardboard. And I'm only gonna take out like a couple. But they're rulers. Check that out. Isn't that amazing? I'm not sure how many rulers are in here, but oh, the things you can do with this. I might have to make a copy of this. This is just so adorable. So it's white on one side and printed on the other. Again, just really lovely packaging. There's probably 15 in here, maybe 20. I can't tell. Doesn't say. Everything is made in China. Maybe, I don't know. It doesn't say the number. This looks to me like sticker paper. It's sticker paper, 5 pieces. Yes. So you'd have to figure out how to peel it. You can use it as a whole piece. You could rip it. And I see people doing stuff like this. They just rip it and then they use every little bit. But they might just rip a corner. Lovely papers. Love it. Oh my God, this is my style. And the last thing in the box is a pad of paper. I'm not really sure how many pieces are in here. It's, 20 sheets. Maybe it's the paper collection of 20 sheets. And those are all the sheets. I hope you can see it. And it's just a regular, ooh, look at that. And again, it's that see-through paper. Oh my Lord. I really wish I remember what this is called. So all of these are like the see-through papers. Feels like plastic, and it's of maps. How pretty is that? Okay, I'm having trouble making this one out. All right, it's a map within a map. I have no idea how she creates these boxes, but I have to tell you, each box has a specific theme and the graphics are just beautiful, and this paper is really nice. I really love it. These are old cartography maps. Canada and the United States. Look at that. And the colors are just so amazing. So that is your Creative Studios for January 2021. Let me know what you think of it. If you're interested in journaling, junk journaling, making books for yourself, books for others, journals, anything, these papers and these stamps will just, you'll just have so much fun. And I just really love everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a new style for me to show everything. I normally show myself, but I didn't want to show myself. I wanted to show you everything in this box because it's just so gorgeous. Please give me a like and a thumbs up and a subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.